Hello guys, welcome to another vlog. We are heading to the Sunrise Shack, which is where I work to get smoothies. It's my day off. We tried to do Stairway this morning. There were cops, so we turned around. Did Cocoa Head, which is a nice hike. I died. It's like all stairs.
Woke up at 2 from a fire alarm.
Yep, it's been a good day. Oh, and my family's here. My mom, Elliot, and his friend Noah. Elliot's my little brother. Bye. Mom, what is your favorite thing?
Bombing.
What is your favorite thing? What is your favorite thing about Hawaii?
Everything. The fantastic weather, the warm ocean, the easy floating in the saltier ocean.
Yeah, it's super salty over here.
Everything is beautiful and green and flowers are everywhere. I just love it. I want to live here.
Same. Waiting for the smoothies. So cute. What? Mom, you look grumpy.
Thank you.
So pretty.
Oh my god. Let's dig in.
How's it taste? We have made it to the beach. Woo. It's always so crowded here. But it's like 2 blocks from our apartment, so you know, it's better than no beach. We're just gonna chill here for a little while and then we're going to some waterfall. I don't remember the name of it, but I have it saved in my phone, where you can go swimming, and they said you can like cliff jump into the waterfall, so stay tuned. Okay guys, we are now on the waterfall hike. We're just at the beginning of it. And
Don't wait for me, guys.
okay. And we're doing it barefoot. Guys, we're like 1/10 of the way in, and look at how muddy it is already. We're covered. I'm not saying percent. Yeah, okay, just make sure you don't.
Just hold your legs up. Exactly.
Alright. She can't get off.
Put your foot on like the rock right there.
There's the waterfall up there. This is what we had to hike. So, here we go. Definitely not a hike if you're not ready to get a little muddy. Sun is literally leaving right now though because it's about to be sunset. So we need to hurry the flip up. Where are they going? Here we go, ready to rinse off the mud. They hop. Look, Elliot.
Betty's gonna hop out.
Just wait until the water drains.
Oh my god, it's gonna hop on me.
That's terrible.
There's things touching my feet and it's scary.
I know, it's big. There's so many. Hey, show them the waterfall. Look how beautiful! Woo! We're getting ready to head back.
Are we?
Oh heck yeah! Gotta get on those socks and shoes. That was sick.
Hey!
Hopefully we make it out before dark, because my mom will start freaking out if we don't. I'll start freaking out if we don't. Weird things come out at night, I feel like. Somebody left their glasses there. We stole their vape. Oh really? I'm kidding, I would never. Okay. I will see you back at the car because our phones are gonna die and it's gonna be after dark and we have to use them for
Sun's going
flashlights.
down, we gotta go. Gotta skedaddle.
See ya! We made it. I cut my knee. Wait. That's not bad. I'm so muddy. And my mom has a rental. So, gotta figure that out. At Target. All fancy.
Getting some eggs.
Those cool, wow, I look like death. Sorry, fam. Look at, they have one of these cart things. Here it comes. Hey guys, it's the next day. It's like 3 o'clock. And Sadie went to church.
I did.
And I went to work.
With the fam.
Yeah. And so we're gonna go to Electric Beach soon, which is just a sick place to snorkel here. And yeah, that's it. Maybe I'll bring you guys, maybe I won't because it's the beach. I don't know if I'll have my phone.
Wait, that's funny.
What?
I did this again.
Well, yeah, Sadie, we've realized if she's uncomfortable, she does the shaka. So every time I video, she just does the
You should
shaka.
do a count on how many times I've done.
Yeah. All right, bye. Heading to Electric Beach. Who's excited?
Hey,
Wait, I don't know how to zoom in. Can I? I can't even zoom in.
going, man.
Are you excited, Noah? Okay, let's
Wait,
Sadie, we forgot.
like you have
Sadie.
dessert and then you have a meal and you have like appetizers.
What?
What?
She's talking about her mom.
I'm talking
Wait,
about how I miss my
Well,
mom
tell your mom happy
and her-
birthday.
and her
'Cause
regressive
this is why we're
dinners.
vlogging.
Hey, I'm talking. Mom, I miss your regressive dinners.
Regressive, not
What is a
aggressive.
regressive dinner?
Regressive.
What does that mean?
You start
It's a
with dessert
backwards
and go
dinner.
back to
I hope I'm
appetizers.
saying it right. I hope that's the right
Regressive,
word.
yeah.
Wait, tell her happy birthday though.
It's not her birthday anymore. We started this on your birthday, Mom, so happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Arlene.
We're gonna go get pizza. Also, look at my hair.
It's one
Are you
knot.
ready? Just
Giant knot.
wait. I
It's
feel like
cinched
I
up.
should
I
start
don't know
putting
if that's a good idea.
what
You
to
shouldn't
take
have
it
put it
down.
in.
Take it down now. Eat. Let
You
me
shouldn't
help
have put it in.
You're making
a
it worse.
knot.
No, I need to like. No, it's fine. It would have gotten worse. I need to put like lots of things in it. Oh my.
It's dreadlocks. Do you want
Ooh.
dreadlocks? You could get
Can I
dreadlocks
give you
right now.
dreadlocks?
No.
Let's do
I
it.
do not want dreadlocks. Look
Okay.
at this.
You have them.
Oh my gosh.
Ooh, you got the middle part.
Oh my gosh.
It's bad.
What if I went out like this for pizza?
It'll be fine.
I'm not playing in public like this. I need to go.
Whatever.
Oh my
Excuse me, Mom,
gosh.
don't
I've never had my hair this.
Orange juice.
Okay,
I'm making my
we're
mama
drinking some
proud.
orange juice, and we just had some pizza. We devoured it. It was amazing. The beach was so nice. We went snorkeling. We went out.
Me, it's on you.
No, I just flipped it. And so we went
Oh,
out
that
to
was
this
a beach.
pipe where, like, from the power plant, it is a
blows-
cooling vent. And
It
so it blows out
blows
hot water.
air, but I think it's like
No,
a
water.
it cleans out.
It's clean.
Something. It's clean, but it like cleans out. I don't know. It's a product of the factory. That's what it is.
I don't know. It's a pipe that blows out warm water. And it's super nice. And there's literally like
It's clean.
hundreds of fish.
Definitely
There might
clean.
be like 1,000. There's so many. And if you swim down, it shoots you out.
Elliot into the ocean and he thought he was going to be eaten by a shark.
Oh, is that what it
Elliot
said?
thought he was gonna get eaten by a shark because we were deep in the water, but you know, it was fun. So that was the day. I'm gonna see how much footage I have. Footage. I can't do that. Goodbye. Okay, guys, it's a few days later. I haven't been vlogging because I've been working and just doing stuff. But they're leaving
I'm so
now.
sad to go. I'm going to miss my girls so much.
So, goodbye. Say bye, Elliot. Say bye, Noah.
Goodbye.
Did you like Hawaii?
Yes, I did.
Sick. We're leaving in like something like 15 days, so we're leaving pretty soon too. But I'm kind of ready to go. I miss my dog. I love Hawaii though, don't get me wrong. But yeah, I gotta go because I gotta get ready for work. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to like this video and subscribe if you want to see more. I'm gonna try to make more videos. But yeah, life is just so busy here. It's hard to. So yeah. Oh, and I dyed my hair, by the way. So yeah, it's blonde now. But the roots are still dark because I wanted to just have it look more natural and it like grow out fine. So yeah. All right. Bye. Love you guys.